Hi royalties, welcome back to GlamQueenofDecor. I'm Tammy, and if you're new here, welcome. Now, today's video, I am going to be showing you my Glam early spring bathroom tour. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright royalties, let's get this video started. Make sure you subscribe and become a part of this Royal Glam family. Hit that subscribe button. And you guys, this is my spring or early spring, that is, bathroom tour. As you can see, we're using yellow, white, silver, and a little bit of gray. I hope this gives you a lot of inspiration. Please make sure you check out my channel for my other bathroom tours I've done, especially that winter bathroom tour. I got a surprise, guys. You're going to be seeing some different things this upcoming spring. So up on this week, I'm going to be bringing you my room tours in preparation for a early spring home tour coming next Sunday at 7 p.m. I'm going to quit talking, let you listen to the music, and hope you get inspired with what I created in my home for early spring 2022. And you guys, this hurricane vase, I turned it into a table I DIY'd. You can catch all of my DIYs on the Glam Queen of DIY. I'm dropping that channel link down in the description box. Please make sure you go over and check out Glam Queen of DIY. You will be able to see everything that I purchased. You have to go over to the Glam Queen unboxing to see where we picked up these fabulous items from. That link is in the description as well. And this is that mirror. You should have caught that. If you didn't catch this DIY, that video is up right now on the Glam Queen of DIY. After you watch this video, go over and check out Glam Queen of DIY so you can see the making of this gorgeous mirror as well as these. And I will be leaving the link for all DIYs that you do see here in my bathroom. If I created it, the link will be in my description. Once again, thank you everyone for watching. I truly appreciate your love and your support. And make sure that if you haven't become part of this Royal Glam family, you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell twice, it turns blue, and you know every time that I do upload. Don't forget to check out Glam Queen of DIY and Glam Queen Unboxing. We'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and stay positive.